Hi guys, so I've just finished doing the spring change on the other bank, and I thought I'd do a quick video on removing and installing a pair from this side and show you the tool I've been using. It's designed for an LS1, LS2, maybe even 3 non-cathedral port head spring removal tool. I think it costs like 30 or 35 bucks from eBay, but it works just fine for VN heads. As you can see, it fits between the springs, bit of room to index left or right, and the stud angle is pretty much bang on the valve angle. It also comes with this spacer, which I guess is for LS, but it works to space out the bolts. So I'm just using the standard 5/16 bolts. If I can just get that in there. Okay. And what you want to do is just sort of, as best you can, index it right in the middle, somewhere like that. Give them a bit of a nip up. No need to go troppo on them. That'll do. Then you get this little strong back or retainer back plate. I guess it's for LS conical beehive springs, but I'm just running it upside down for what I'm doing. So it fits on like that. Then just get 2 bolts, a couple of washers. As best you can in the middle, that'll do. All right, we go. There we go. Now that one there is actually released, but I'll give this one a little tap with a 9/16 long series. There we go. The other one's popped right out, which is never brilliant. But luckily it's fallen near my feet, so that's some good luck. All right. Now it might be able to just lift that up. No. 1. All right. Easy as that. Okay. So I took a pair of the original springs down and checked them on a pressure tester. Turns out I was running 98 pounds on the seat and I think around 300 on the nose. So that's a good indication of what I was seeing at the dyno with that valve float issue. Especially on a turbo too, where it's got additional pressure pushing back on the inlet valve. So I've switched to the Comp Cams spring. It's a 941-16 part number. It's a good bolt-in spring. I haven't machined the spring bases on my head, so it's got the factory 1-inch 260 OD. And this set of springs does, I think it's 130 pounds at 1-inch 750 installed, and 350 pounds at 1-inch 250 installed. So it works well for a 500 thou lift cam, and I think my one's around 490 thou from memory. So hopefully it'll work well with this. I'm running them fractionally harder on the seat, so I'm running a 1-inch 730 installed height, which gives me around 140, 145 on the seat, and I think around 360, 365 on the nose. All right, so I've shimmed up to get the right installed height, which is 1-inch 730 with one of these handy tools. If you don't have one, I'd strongly recommend it. And then it's pretty much everything in reverse. So new springs. Just like that. I'll do. Retainers. kind of want to orientate them as best you can. So it's in the center of that valve. Probably doesn't look right from your angle, but looks all right from mine. Alright, it's bottomed out, so here comes the fun part. It's always a good sign. Alright, it's one. And what's the bet? The next one's not going to be as fun. Nope. That did it. Alright, now. Actually, difficult not to get in the way of the camera doing this. One. And two. Alright. So they're in. What do I do? Just take some of that pressure off the That's pretty much it.